Is Task Manager crashing or freezing on your Windows 11 computer? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If Task Manager freezes or crashes and closes immediately on Windows, then one of these suggestions is sure to help you. The Windows Task Manager is an advanced program or tool that lets you monitor applications, processes, and services running on your PC. Now let's get started on how to fix the issue when Task Manager crashes on startup in Windows 11. Method 1. Scan for any virus or malware. Sometimes viruses or malware can degrade program performance on computers. We have to ensure we install trusted software, download trusted files, and use secure USBs. Most of the time, the antivirus or anti-malware programs we use on your computer detect and delete them. These are situations where we disable antivirus or anti-malware to run something. Those situations may cost us. Try running the antivirus or anti-malware to fully scan your computer. If there is any file or program causing the Task Manager crash, they will take care of it and resolve the issue. Method 2. Run SFC and DISM scans. SFC and DISM are the most valuable tools that are available on Windows 11 or 10. These tools run through commands and most users don't know about them. To run SFC scan, click on the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click on the command prompt from the search results and select Run as Administrator. It will open command prompt window with administrator privileges. Type the following command and press Enter. It will run the scan and automatically fix issues with system files. To run DISM scan, press Win+X on your keyboard and select Windows PowerShell. In the PowerShell application window, enter the following command and press Enter. It will take care of the corrupted files and repair them by placing them with new files. Method 3. Troubleshoot in clean boot state. Performing clean boot is one of the most effective methods in troubleshooting the issues on Windows. Clean booting means starting a computer with only essential programs like drivers and Microsoft programs. To perform clean boot, press Win+R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Then type msconfig in the box and press Enter. It will open the system configuration window. In the General tab, uncheck the button beside Load Startup Items. Now click on the Services tab. In the Services tab, check the button beside Hide All Microsoft Services and then click on Disable All. Then click on the Startup tab and try to open Task Manager and disable all the programs on Startup. If it doesn't run, click on OK and restart your computer. Your computer will now run in clean boot mode. Only essential Microsoft programs run. Try opening the Task Manager. If it runs perfectly fine, then the issue is caused by some third-party application, which you have to manually find by enabling and disabling each application and restarting your PC. Method 4. Use the Reset This PC option. If the Task Manager still doesn't run, try resetting your PC. To do so, open Settings and click on System. Then select Recovery from the left sidebar and click on Get Started under Reset This PC. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your PC. It will fix the issue you are having with the Task Manager. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.